What once seemed like an ordinary weed in the garden turned out to be something far more valuable. At first, the plant closely resembled fenugreek, with its small trifoliate leaves and soft green appearance. But when we pulled a few plants from the soil, we noticed tiny round nodules attached to the roots. That small detail made all the difference. After a bit of research, we identified the plant as burr medic, also known as Medicago or burr clover. Being a member of the legume family, those nodules contain nitrogen-fixing bacteria, which completely changed how we viewed it. Instead of discarding it as a weed, we realized it could be transformed into a powerful natural fertilizer. Legumes like Medicago work with beneficial bacteria to convert nitrogen from the air into a form stored within the plant. This makes their leaves and stems rich in nutrients, especially nitrogen, making them ideal for preparing a liquid fertilizer. So rather than wasting it, we decided to collect and reuse it effectively. We started by pulling out a good amount of the plants. The more material you gather, the more concentrated your final liquid fertilizer will be. For the setup, we used two simple containers. The top bucket had small holes at the bottom to hold the plant material, while the lower container, without holes, was placed underneath to collect the liquid. The perforated bucket was placed inside the larger container, leaving space at the bottom for the liquid to drip and collect. We then filled the top bucket with the freshly harvested Medicago plants. It's important to pack them well, but not too tightly, so there's still some airflow to support decomposition. To speed up the process, we added a small layer of compost over the plant material. This introduces beneficial microorganisms that help break down the plants more quickly. Then we placed a heavy brick on top to apply pressure. This helps release moisture from the plant material, aiding in the extraction of nutrients into the liquid. After setting everything up, we covered it with a cloth. This allows rainwater to pass through, keeping the material moist while preventing insects from entering. The setup was then left undisturbed for about 2 to 3 weeks. Rain during this time can speed up the process, but in dry conditions, you may need to add a little water occasionally. After a few weeks, a dark, thick liquid collected in the bottom container. This is a concentrated plant extract, rich in nitrogen and other nutrients released during decomposition. Although it may have a strong smell, that's a sign the organic matter has broken down properly. Before using it, the liquid should be diluted. Mix 1 or 2 cups of the concentrate into a bucket of water and stir well. This diluted solution can be applied directly to plants, while the remaining concentrate can be stored for future use. This homemade fertilizer offers several benefits. It provides a natural source of nitrogen, which promotes healthy leafy growth and overall plant vigor. It also contains trace nutrients that support balanced development. Unlike synthetic fertilizers, it improves soil health by supporting beneficial microbes rather than harming them. It's also a cost-effective and eco-friendly solution. Instead of buying chemical fertilizers, you're using something that would otherwise be thrown away. Recycling garden weeds into fertilizer reduces waste and avoids introducing harmful chemicals into the environment. In the end, what looked like a useless weed became a valuable resource. Burr medic, often overlooked, can be turned into a nutrient-rich liquid fertilizer with a simple method and a bit of patience. It's a perfect example of how understanding your garden can help you work with nature more efficiently and sustainably.